Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. We're looking at the new tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Yeah, just remember, if you want to help at the channel, buy more tools, make more tool review videos, please subscribe. We need more subscribers. We need more likes. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this. Today we're shopping. Pretty much I needed to get some gloves for my work basically, and just needed them desperately because I ran out of gloves. So I came to this Harbor Freight. Hopefully I find some gloves, and they were empty. So all the shelves were empty except one box right there on the corner on the top. So I was lucky to find some gloves. I was just talking to the employees here, the really nice employees. They communicate with me and they tell me, hey, mornings, you better come early in the morning if you want to catch some gloves. And that's pretty much the way, it's going to be. So if I want some gloves, I'm going to show up at 8 a.m. These are some nice cases. These are the new Apache colors that they have. Really nice cases. They do have some weather stripping. And they do have the foam inserts where you can cut them and customize them depending on what you want to put in there. Cameras and, electrical sensitive equipment. And that's the electrical aisle with all the chargers and jump starters and stuff like that. That's the AC tool specialty aisle. That thing's $29.99. That's not a bad deal. If you go to AutoZone or any of those O'Reilly ones, you will get that for like $50 or 40 something dollars. So definitely that's a great deal. If you got a 20% off coupon, even better. But yeah, $29.99, that's a great deal. I'm telling you guys because I tried going to AutoZone and pretty much trying to purchase something like that, a kit, so I could put some Freon in my AC, because obviously it's already 100 and something here. So you got to have AC. And yeah, those are the icons. Really nice screwdrivers. We got to go ahead and try them out. They're just beside the Quints and the Doyles. So pretty much the higher quality screwdrivers. And then we got the Apex Badlands winches. Really nice winches. They are redesigned. That's the new Badland replacement. So you can replace that rope. It's like a really thick rope right there. Really nice, soft, and really heavy duty rope there. And I gotta say, you just gotta be careful with that rope. You gotta put that the protector that comes with the box, because if that rope's ripped, it's just gonna, that's an accident waiting to happen. So definitely you want to take care of that rope. You want to use that protector anywhere where the rope touches a tree or a tree trunk or a rock or dirt. So you want to protect that rope. Make sure you conserve it. And that's a nice set right there if you guys see it. We haven't seen that set, but yeah, it looks like a really nice socket set there. And yeah, if you guys haven't seen my video, I do have a new tool video that just released a few days back. Check it out on my channel. I'll see if I can link it up above. But yeah, there's a lot of new stuff for the trailers, and for the tie downs and stuff like that, like rails, like you did see there. Those are the new Atlas tools. And that's the garden section. That's a nice pressure washer. I gotta buy him another Portland pressure washer. It's just real nice. I liked it. I pretty much it works really good. And then we got some trash bags there. That is the new watering nozzle that they have. It is one of the newer ones. The other one, to tell you guys the truth, it broke. And once I make this review of this nozzle, I will let you guys know where it broke and how I did it. So please stay tuned, subscribe for that. And yeah, pretty much that's the new one. It's about $9 there. And if you could use a 20% off coupon, it'll drop it maybe $1.50.
Those are the new ribbon clamps. If you guys haven't seen my video, I do have a video review on these. Basically, you can use them as a spreader or you can use them as a clamp. So really nice little clamps. Well, not little. Some of them are pretty big. That's another ribbon clamp. I do have it. I believe I haven't made a video of those yet, but they're really nice, especially for the small items. And those are the polishers. I'm pretty much on the market for one of these things because one of my trucks, or my truck, my personal truck, is a black truck and it has stains in it, like water stains. And the only way to take those off is doing like a light polish, like a finish polish type of thing. So you can remove the surface and add some wax on top of it. But yeah, that's the new polisher from Bauer. It is a battery operated. It's a big polisher there. If you guys see it, that's a big device there. But it looks pretty nice. I don't know if how is it gonna handle with those batteries though, because it's only a 3 amp hour. I wonder what is the runtime. Yeah, this thing's falling everywhere. I wonder what's the runtime on a 3 amp hour battery, because we need a bigger battery. 3 amp hour and 1 amp, the 2 amp hour is not enough, you know. But yeah, as you guys see, that thing's huge, and you gotta pretty much grab it with both hands there. That's the switch right there. Feels really nice. Yeah, I'm very impressed with all these Bauer tools. I got a few of those Bauer tools. They're really nice. And those are the circular saws. That is a small circular saw. It's like a 4-inch. Looks really nice. It is one of the newer tools. So it feels really nice. It's a little heavy, but you know, it's normal for a tool like this. It is corded, so it's not cordless version. Hopefully a cordless version will come up. And those are the other ones. They do have some more. Chicago Electric. And it's $69.99. That is the price for the Bauer. So you guys see there. A lot of new tools actually. You know, since we haven't been out here because of the Rona that's going on. So we haven't been to a Harbor Freight. There's a lot of new tools been out. So be sure to check out my channel. So any of these tools I might pick up and do a review on. That's a really nice gun there, especially if you don't want to invest in a battery platform. All you gotta do is just pick that gun up, you know, plug it in and take those wheels off, those lug nuts. That's a powerful tool. Yeah, that's a really nice tool too. My cousin does have the Chicago Electric version of this thing, and this is an upgrade. And he swears by it. Basically, he does have it, and he mixes tile with it. So I guess those are good tools. Some tool bags, some more Bauer. That's the fan, and then you got a light. Really nice tools here. That's a big bright light. It's not that heavy. It's pretty light. And that's the work light there. It is a hybrid, so you can plug it in with an extension cord or a battery. And then it does have some hooks there. You can just hook it anywhere and just hang it. And really nice light. This is 2000 lumen. And then you got the fan, which we've seen before, but still it's new to me because I don't have it. I might pick it up. It is a hybrid too. So you got you can plug it in with your extension cord or a battery up, you know. And that is a radio. A big hole on the back for the battery. Reciprocating saw. And that's the inflator. And that's the palm sander. That's the impact wrench. I did a few videos on the impact wrench. I don't know if you guys noticed. But yeah, there's a few tests that I did on that impact wrench. Really nice. That's a inflator. That's the new inflator. It's like a cheaper inflator that they have just to have around the house, which is nice. I do have the bigger inflator, which has a lot more features. I
personally, I would just definitely go for that one. Those are the Hercules. Definitely recommend the Hercules. Hercules 12 volts. I gotta say, for mechanics, it's a must-have. It is a thinner. It's a thinner profile, and pretty much fits everywhere. If you wanna like fit it like in a tight space, the thinner the tool, the better, and the shorter, of course. But yeah, those are great little tools. The screwdriver, that's the impact driver, but the screwdriver, the other one that I grabbed first with the numbers, that one you can use it for the interior. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Help out the channel by subscribing and hitting the like. See you guys next time.